Hello and welcome back to the Lash and Brow Directory booking system tutorial. This is a tutorial on adding coupons. So this is if you want to be able to add discounted services to your booking system. It's a matter of adding the coupons, and then you would give these coupon codes out to your customers, or you can advertise it on your listings page. Now you can control how many coupons go out, as there is a usage limit. So as soon as those are all used, then no one else can use those coupons. So also great for Facebook advertising or any other promotional advertising that you would like to do. So simply once again go to the dashboard and select coupons and then add coupon. This will take you through to the coupon section. Simply give your coupon a name. Then you add the usage limit. So this is up to you how many you want to give away. It just depends on what promotion you're doing. But as soon as that limit's reached, then the coupon won't be available anymore. Add the dates that you want the promotion to be available. So this will be the dates that the appointments can be booked, not the date that the promotion's available for, but the dates that the appointments can be booked. Add what service you'd like to apply it to, and do you want to do a percentage of the booking fee or a fixed price? So either a percentage, say 50% off, or you can actually take in a dollar amount off the fixed price and simply save. Now the coupon code up here is what you need to give to your customers, and they simply add that to the booking system when they go to make the payment. So they make a booking, and then there is a section that comes up that says coupon, and they just need to add that coupon code in there, and it will automatically take it off the price of the service.